Hi everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I'm here with ASC Design Team Project. You see here the collection of stuff I have made from the Stamperia Alice collection. I did have a lot of paper. I had the gold collection, I think the 12x12, 6x6, 8x8, and then some patterns and solids. I think that's it. But lots and lots of paper. I have used this much so far, and I still have enough probably for another album. So this is the album I shared a couple weeks ago, and I'm just going to put that back. This is a box. It's the Graphic 45 Shadow box. I did this one in a Friday night ASC Facebook group live, and that information is in the description box below. So the somewhere on the Facebook group there is an archive of this, and I added a light on the back, and if you can see, it lights up. I can turn off my lights so you guys can see it a little better. And yeah, so there he is. I made that first, and then I made this little guy, and this is the star of this video. I had previously had this 4x4 mini album made out of the Stamperia music collection, and a couple weeks ago I did the base of this, and then following this video there'll be the tutorial for the pages. I forgot to push the button on this one, so we're doing this one. So I'm just going to flip through real quick. They're basically the same but use a different paper. So this is the 4x4 by 2 inch spine using the Stamperia Alice collection. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. I love these little cards, and I still have a lot to go, so my next one will probably have those cards in them too. I used some red paper in here, not that I needed to because I had plenty of paper left over, but I did anyways. And then I just made some booklets because small albums like this have you know, you can use it for journaling or whatever. The inside page is a double pocket, and I just put some of the cut aparts from the collection. I ended up with a lot of cut aparts. I still have a whole basket full of them. I don't know that I'll be able to use them all. So, and then I just used, this was pretty plain down here, so I used some of the cut aparts here. And the cut aparts, like, there is no option like on the back to use a solid, or I would have used them as solids. There's just a lot of cut aparts. I suppose you could just you know, cut them, but it just, to me, it doesn't look quite right to just cut them and use them as like a solid sheet, but doesn't mean that it's not right. These are super cute. These are from the 6x6 album, or 6x6 paper. Okay, and then the back pocket has this little guy in it. And he opens like that. Okay, so there is my 4x4 Alice Mini from Stamperia. And head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.